Here are 5 Excel hacks to supercharge your workflow. Number 1. Entering the number as a text. Whenever you need to type any number which starts from 0 in Excel, like cell number, it disappears. In situations where you want to feature numbers in a readable format, use this shortcut. Add an apostrophe before the number. Number 2. Open more than one file at once. Want to open multiple Excel files in one go? Here's how to do so. Click the File tab and then Open and Browse Files. Hold the Ctrl button from keyboard and select all the files. Now click on Open. Number 3. Autofill technique. Tired of right-clicking every time and clicking on Paste Special to add missing information? Let me show you the trick. Select the first 3 numbers. Drag your cursor down to the bottom right corner until a plus sign appears. Now drag the cursor down based on the serial numbers you are looking for. Number 4. Create simple charts and graphs. Creating simple marketing and sales dashboards is easy with Microsoft Excel. Select Dataset and click Insert, and then click Recommended Charts. You will find many types of graphs and charts. Select the chart you want to insert, and then click OK. You can see the graph will change when you change the data. Number 5. Eliminate duplicate data sets. Sometimes you have a lot of data and it has duplication. To remove the duplicate data, select the data, go to Data tab and click on Remove Duplicates. It will remove all duplicate data from your data set.